Energy drives the world. From breathing to lifting a superstructure, energy is always present, but since it has to be produced instantly, it is also a question of dispatchability. In our journey to sustainability, we are finding that our leading technologies of wind or solar deliver the green power we all want, but are stained as a consequence of the intermittency. The inability to produce renewable energy at any time to keep up with the energy demand is forcing us to burn fossil fuels. In other words, avoiding intermittency is precisely the missing link to transition from our current energy system to a fully decarbonized energy production. Our product has three components. The ES Wave, which is a hybrid wave energy converter with green grid storage capabilities. The 12DA Hub, an easily accessible platform typically coming from a refurbished ONG jacket. And the 12DA Association, which is typically built with 6 ES Wave devices surrounding the 12DA Hub and external contributors that could typically be formed by electric generators connected to the 12DA Hub. The ES Wave can harness a threefold of power thanks to its patented weight-changing mechanisms, uplifting an average of 1.77 megawatts onto an astonishing 4.88 megawatts. The very same machine can absorb about 2 megawatt-hour from the 12DA Hub and deliver this energy when required, hence balancing the grid. Since waves can travel long distances before they vanish, the availability of waves is higher than solar or wind, which reduces the intermittency of the resource. In addition, buoys and satellites can help predict a flat ocean, so that some of the ES Wave devices in the 12DA Association can pre-store the energy required during the flat ocean. Others can directly provide power to the national grid thanks to the ES Wave ability to also generate. As a result, energy can be delivered on a 24/7 basis. No intermittency represents the missing link and is crucial for a decarbonized world. The ES Wave can create a pump hydro application in the middle of the ocean. Not only does it have the ability to ramp up or down the energy absorbed, but it can also increase the energy delivered by using the tidal range. This brings an unprecedented financial opportunity in a world figuring out how to transition to net zero emissions while still fostering economic prosperity and ensuring secure energy supplies.